Ever wondered how it feels to soar through the skies, capturing breathtaking views from above? Whether you're a seasoned pilot, a filmmaker, or just curious about drones, today's video is for you. We've handpicked 6 of the most impressive drones in the market right now, each offering something unique, be it cinematic quality 4K, 6K video, beginner-friendly controls, or heart-pounding FPV thrills. Stick around to discover your perfect match and take your aerial adventures to the next level. Number 6. DJI Neo. Small drone, big possibilities. Let's kick things off with the DJI Neo, a compact yet powerful drone that's perfect for families, adventurers, and beginners alike. Ultra-stabilized video. Whether you're hiking up a mountain, kayaking through rapids, or strolling in a breezy park, the DJI Neo ensures your footage is ultra-smooth thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization and level 4 wind resistance. Capture every moment in stunning 4K UHD clarity, no matter the conditions. Fly with confidence. Nervous about flying indoors or around obstacles? Don't be. The full coverage propeller guards let you explore dynamic movements safely, dipping, diving, and weaving without worrying about accidents. Control your way. Use the DJI Neo with a smartphone or a remote controller, whichever suits your style. This drone makes flying intuitive and fun for everyone, even first-timers. Important reminder, to unlock its full potential, download the DJI Fly app from their official website. Though it's no longer available on Google Play, installing it ensures you're ready to take to the skies seamlessly. The DJI Neo is your go-to drone for effortless fun and creativity. Number 5. Holy Stone HS360S. Lightweight, feature-packed marvel. We have the Holy Stone HS360S, a drone designed for beginners and adventurers who want to capture stunning visuals without breaking a sweat. No registration hassles. At just 249 grams, this drone doesn't require FAA registration, making it travel-friendly and ready to fly straight out of the box. 4K UHD camera with Galaxy Core sensor, equipped with a 1/3-inch CMOS sensor and a 90-degree adjustable wide-angle lens. The HS360S captures sharp, vibrant footage that rivals higher-end models. Whether it's a sunrise over the mountains or a close-up of your travels, this drone delivers professional-grade results. Explore farther. With an impressive 10,000-foot control range, you can push boundaries and discover new perspectives while enjoying seamless 5G video transmission. Beginner-friendly modes. Features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Optical Flow Positioning make it incredibly easy for anyone to operate, even if it's their first time flying. Enhanced GPS functions. Worried about losing your drone? The HS360S comes with Smart Return Home functionality, ensuring your drone finds its way back if the battery runs low or the connection drops. The Holy Stone HS360S is perfect for anyone looking for a lightweight, powerful, and beginner-friendly drone with advanced features. Number 4. DJI Avatar 2. Thrill Seeker. This one's for you. Ready for an adrenaline-pumping experience? The DJI Avatar 2 is a revolutionary FPV drone that puts you in the cockpit and at the heart of the action. Immersive FPV experience. Strap on the goggles and feel like you're flying through the skies. The Avatar 2 delivers a first-person perspective that's both breathtaking and exhilarating. Intuitive motion control. No need for complicated joysticks. With the Avatar 2's motion controller, you can guide your drone's movements effortlessly using natural hand gestures. Even beginners can pull off pro-level maneuvers in no time. Super wide 4K video. Capture stunning aerial shots with its ultra-wide 155-degree field of view. The 4K/60 FPS video resolution and 1/1.3-inch image sensor ensure crisp cinematic footage. Built-in propeller guards. Accidents happen, but the Avatar 2 is built to withstand them. Its durable frame and integrated propeller guards let you push your limits safely. Perfect for POV content. Whether you're racing through tight spaces or filming low-altitude adventures, the Avatar 2 ensures every shot is cinematic. Plus, the Lightcut app makes editing a breeze with ready-made templates. If you're an adventure junkie or content creator looking to capture thrilling moments, the DJI Avatar 2 is your ultimate tool. Number 3. Ruko F11 P2. Unleash your inner filmmaker. Step up your storytelling game with the Ruko F11 P2, a drone that transforms everyday moments into cinematic masterpieces. 6K camera with Sony lens. Say goodbye to mediocre footage. The F11 Pro 2's premium Sony lens delivers exceptional clarity, vivid colors, and fine details that bring your vision to life. Rock-solid stability. Thanks to its 3-axis brushless gimbal and enhanced wind resistance, your footage stays smooth and professional, even in challenging conditions. Extended adventures. With 2 batteries providing a total of 70 minutes of flight time, you can shoot to your heart's content without interruptions. Night mode. Take to the skies after dark and capture stunning low-light footage with advanced frame retention technology that ensures every shot shines. Smarter flights. Intelligent GPS modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint Planning let you focus on filming while the drone handles the flying. Whether you're a filmmaker or a hobbyist, the Ruko F11 P2 is your gateway to creating unforgettable aerial stories. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a masterpiece in aerial photography. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a drone that combines professional-grade features with ease of use, making it perfect for serious creators. Hasselblad 4K camera with a 4x3 CMOS sensor and 20 megapixel resolution. This camera produces stunningly detailed images and raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Fly with confidence as 8 vision sensors and the APAS 5.0 system help you avoid obstacles in every direction. 43-minute max flight time. Cover more ground with fewer interruptions, letting you focus on capturing the perfect shot. Professional features. Enjoy advanced transmission with DJI O3 Plus, which provides up to 15 kilometers of stable, lag-free video feed. For filmmakers and photographers seeking precision and quality, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate choice. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Compact and powerful. Last but definitely not least, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is proof that big things come in small packages. Under 249 grams, the hassle of registration and travel light. This ultra-portable drone is perfect for on-the-go creators. Vertical 4K/60 FPS video. Share social media-ready content right out of the camera with stunning vertical footage. Enhanced safety with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Even first-time flyers can navigate confidently. Longer flights, bigger adventures. Its extended battery life lets you explore without worrying about running out of juice. For travelers and content creators, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact powerhouse that delivers big results. There you have it. The top 6 drones. Whether you're looking for lightweight portability, cinematic quality, or adrenaline-pumping thrills, there's a drone here for everyone. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and drone content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the skies.